Good morning, my dear children. Today we again start our virtual class. I think everybody enjoy the summer vacation. Before the summer vacation, we have to cover the lesson number 2. Today we start the smile please. That is lesson number 3. At first put the date. Today's date is 8th June 2021. Day is Tuesday. Subject is moral science. Today we discuss the smile please. That is the very interesting chapter. Last day we are cover the special people, and we are already give you some home task. That is question time. Fill in the blanks with the words and given below. Few people are sent my WhatsApp. That is whatever give I the home task. That is fill in the blanks. But most of the major portion people not send the homework. That is very bad. You not practice in your home. That is the proof that you not practice in your home. So today we again start our moral science virtual class. Today is the most probably the last class of your virtual class. Next day I give you the online class. Okay. So everybody open the page number 9. The smile please. At first put the date. Today's date is 8th June 2021. Day is Tuesday. Subject is moral science. Okay. So here is smile please. Key thought: better to smile your way through life. Smile virus. Here is like a poem type thing. Smile virus. Smiling is infectious. You catch it like the flu. When someone smiled at me today, I started smiling too. I passed around the corner and someone saw my grin. When he smiled, I realized I didn't pass it on to him. I threw about the smile and then realized its worth. A single smile just like mine could travel around the earth. So if you feel a smile begin, don't leave it undetected. Let's start an epidemic quick and get the world infected. Russell Hickenville. That is the interesting like poem, the smile virus. Now here is activity 1. Take a close look at the following face. Tick the ones you would like to be friendly with. Activity 1 you have to do in your homework, and after complete you have to send my WhatsApp number. Here are some jokes that will surely bring a smile to everyone's face. What oval when it flies? A jellycopter. What do ghosts eat for dinner? Spooked Katie. Young boy, can I buy some bird? Sit please. Pet shop owner. How may a bird have to got? Young boy, none. I want to grow some. What do clouds wear under their clothes? Thunderwear. What do you get when you bake a cake in a pan? Pancakes. What do you get when you cut a banana in half? A banana split. Why do the tomcat join a computer class? To catch a mouse. Why do horses go when they are ill? The hospital. So activity 2, the funniest person I know. That is not important. Activity 3, there are the times when it is not good to laugh. Your laughter can hurt someone. Write about a time when your laughter moved someone, cry, or when you laughed at someone. So you have to try it in your home. But important is question time. Fill in the blanks with the word given below. Jealousy, health, smile, cruel, sad. Fill in the blanks with the help of these words. So your homework is You have to practice this passage and fill in the blanks with the help of these words. Okay, you have to practice. If you any problem, any doubt, tell me. I have to rectify your problem. But at first you have to try it. Again, if you any problem, I have to help you. Okay. So that is the very important thing. Smile, please. That is very interesting chapter. Okay. So activity 1 and question time, and activity 3 also. Activity 1, activity 3 and question time. 3 is your homework. Okay. So you have to try in your home. Most probably next Tuesday I take your online class in moral science. Today I just take your virtual class. Next day most probably I take your online class. That time with the schedule on your video class in Tuesday. That time I will take your online class. And I also give you some message on your group also. Don't worry about that. But you have to practice in your home. I again told you, if you any problem, any doubt, tell me. I have to rectify your problem. Okay. So we have to cover the lesson number 1, talking to God. Sukarna ma'am already covered it, and we cover also the 2 special people. And today we have to cover the smile, please. But everything depend on you. If you practice, and whatever give you a homework, if you write it and practice it, then you have to send my WhatsApp. I have to check it, I have to correction it. But if you not send my WhatsApp, if you not send my WhatsApp, how to justify that who is practice it or who does not practice it? So everybody practice in your home, and whatever I give you homework, you have to write it and send it my WhatsApp. Okay. So today is for that. Till then, bye bye.